Hi, so today I want to show you how to make a layered pot of bulbs that can incubate over the winter and then give you some nice blooms in the spring. So there's lots of different ways to do this. What I'm going to show you today is putting tulips as a deep layer and then adding some more shallow bulbs on top of that. So I bought this packaged thing, Garden Diamonds. I'm not really sure. I've never tried buying something like this before, so I don't know if it's going to work well or not, but I have some purple tulips and I thought I'll just have an all purple pot here that will probably come up at different times. So I'm planting the tulips. The package says 5 inches. I've often planted a little deeper than that, but I'm trying to go with what the package says. So I just put fresh soil in here, and then I'm putting the bulbs. You have to put them with the flat part down and the pointy part going up, because that's what will grow. And I sprinkled a little bit of organic bulb fertilizer throughout this soil. I'm hoping that that will help me have better blooms. So what I'm going to do is I put these in here, and I'm just going to add a couple inches of soil so that the more shallow bulbs can grow on top. And this is probably painful, but because I don't know how to edit videos, you're going to have to watch me put this in here. But basically just, adding maybe 2 inches of soil so that the shallower bulbs can be 3 inches deep. And that looks pretty good, maybe a little bit more. Normally I'd pick up the bag and dump it, but I forgot to bring my tripod, so you get to watch me doing this by hand. Fascinating. Okay, so then the next step will be to get these little bulbs out. I'm really doing everything one-handed here. You really see how I operate. High quality. Okay, so they're all packed in sawdust. I've never seen that before, but they feel pretty heavy. I think they're healthy. That looks like a tulip bulb, so I should have put that one deeper. I'm just gonna kind of shove that in there. These other ones look like they might be crocus, and there's lots of things in this mix. Looks like there's iris, crocus, tulips, and I always forget what this stuff is called. I love it though. I grew up with that stuff. Anyway, that. So again, I'm kind of tempted to just dump this all out and kind of let it scatter, and then reposition them so that the flat parts are down. There's another tulip bulb. I'll put that in a different container maybe. Here's another one. I didn't put a ton of tulips in here. I don't know what's going on with this. It's interesting. It's got a friend. Anyway, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put another 3 inches of soil on top of that. And I actually will probably plant some pansies on top of that, so you kind of get a lasagna. And the pansies will overwinter, at least here in zone 7, and look pretty nice at the beginning of the spring, and then the tulips and the other bulbs can just kind of come up through them. Thanks for watching.